Greetings YouTube, and welcome to third tutorial of our JavaScript series. Today, we will learn about conditional statement and loops. Conditional statements is works on if this happen. Then do this concept. We are given condition and provide some task associated with that condition. And if condition true, the task will be executed. And loops is simple. It is concept of repeating task n number of times. To accomplish our tutorial goal, we must first create a JavaScript environment, which is referred to by the HTML way mentioned in our previous video. So being quick, create a file with nameindex.html in an empty folder. Open that file in your favorite code editor. Now, yes, you guessed right, write some HTML code or we can use boilerplate code. Now, to add our JavaScript code, there are two methods. 1. Embedding code. 2. External file. We will going to use first method embedding code. To add JavaScript code, we use script tag. In script tag, declare a variable a by using let keyword. Now, to define conditional statement, we use keyword if followed by condition, which can be comparison or anything, which results true or false. True-false bool itself. Then define statements that will execute it when condition is true. Now what if this condition is false? Congrats, we can add some other conditions that can be true by using keywords if-else. Now what if this condition is also false? No worries, the keyword called else will execute statements written inside itself if-else conditions are not true or wrong. Now we will learn about loops. Have you ever wondered what coders do to write counting 1 to 100? They used loops. Now there are two types of loops in JavaScript, for and while loops. But for loop is widely used. To write for loop, we use keyword called for followed by variable assigned to its initial value, then one condition and then increment and decrement of that variable. Then we add statement inside the braces that does operations using that variable. Like in this case, we are logging out value of variable I. Now we get desired output. Now while loops using while keyword followed by single comparison with variable. Then inside braces statement to be executed. Then at last increment of that variable. This way we can make while loops. Now we get desired output. That's all for conditional statement and loops in JavaScript, and the JavaScript basic is finished. In next tutorial, we will learn very interesting topic that is document object model, DOM. So stay tuned.